up into families because there's too many of us and you won't get your prizes. But there is cash. Woo! And a new car! So, everybody get your buzzers on so that when I ask these questions, you know them. The topic is, how well do you know me? Are you ready?
Yes.
All right. You guys should know most of these. What year was Tom's Automotive established?
1971.
Woo! Rico! Winner!
71.
Who can tell me what year I purchased Tom's Automotive? John!
2011.
Close!
2008.
2010, Shirley! Before I was in the automotive industry, what was I going to school to become? Oh, nurse. Holly. Close. Can you get more specific? No. I'm going to give it to you anyway. I wanted to be a surgical nurse, which is really hard to believe. Instead, I do surgery on people's problems with their cars. I guess it's similar but different. Woohoo! Good job, Holly. Who can tell me what Tom's Automotive colors are? Red and blue. Whoa, who was first?
White and blue.
There's white too.
Renee. Red, white, and blue. Good job. All right, next question. This one's a little harder. Who can tell me what Tom's Automotive's warranty is? What's our warranty?
1 year.
No.
I know.
John.
30 minutes or 30 miles down the road.
Ooh, that would be a bad
That's on a Friday afternoon.
place. No, yes. 2 years. How many miles?
100,000.
24,000 miles. 24,000 miles. Elise is a winner. They get harder as we go here. First went to work for Tom. He had me take a little old lady home. It was like 94. I had to take her to the grocery store. I was gone for 3 hours. It was prior to cell phones.
Yeah.
We don't do that anymore. We love our people, but we don't. Who can name all of our front office staff? Dr. Hill.
Tracy, Bryce, and Kenny.
There's one more.
And there's one more.
And Casey.
That's right. So close, Rebecca.
So close.
Who can name all of our technicians? John. Renee.
Okay, I'm reaching. John, Brandon, Amanda.
Amanda's not there anymore.
Ringo?
So close.
Adam.
Adam, good job. Bonus if you get the brand new technician that just started on Monday that nobody knows about.
Is it Adam B. something?
Adam is our technician that's going to school right now. We just hired somebody named Dustin, and we're super excited. Renee's a winner again. All right, finish this sentence. Tom works on.
Cars, trucks, and SUVs, and
I think
hybrids.
Ralph had it first. Ralph will be the winner for that one. Who can finish my tagline? Tom's Automotive. Quality, automotive, and... Oh, Don Baysmore is a winner! Quality, automotive, and fleet repair since 1971. You guys have to hear that every week. See, this is a test to see how well we listen to each other. All right. How long have I personally been working in the industry?
Oh,
Who said 32?
No, I said 30, sorry.
I heard somebody say 32.
32.
27, I like that. I guess Shannon was closest. I've been in the industry for 32 years. Started when I was 18, not working on cars clearly, but I was a receptionist for a dealership. How many years have I been at Tom's Automotive?
47, 28.
Nope, not 22.
18.
I have been at Tom's.
28.
24.
Who said 24? Me. Leanna was closest. I've been there for 27 years. It'll be 28 January 1st. Who knows how many automotive tech technology advisory boards and apprenticeship committees I'm on?
3. 4.
Who said 4? Ralph, you're a winner. If you had to combine all of the crew's experience, how many combined years experience would we have at Tom's?
62.
180.
You know you want
569.
132 years. How many training hours do our technicians get a year?
60.
80.
30.
I think Tim's closest. It's 72 hours each. Yeah, and we pay for all of that. They don't go on their own dime. What can you put on your car that counts as a referral? Oh, Tamara!
She was quick.
What is one way that Tom's Automotive gives back to the community and our clients receive a discount for helping the community? Correct. Shannon, you're a winner. Oh, one more minute. This is a trick one. What's the name of our Pee Wee baseball team?
Tommy Boy.
There you go. And the last question is, can one of you name 3 types of service and repair we do at Tom's Automotive?
Oil change.
Oil change, you gotta name 3.
Brakes.
Brakes?
Straps.
Fluids.
Go ahead.